Hi, for anybody in Belfast and you like C.S. Lewis and The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe series, why not take a short trip up to C.S. Lewis Square? And there's a little park here dedicated to C.S. Lewis, and there's a lot of statues and things like that. So I'm going to take you a quick walk around, let you see what's here. Where to find it? It's on the Newtownards Road, so that's about 2 kilometres outside of town, so it's actually a wee bit far to walk. So you can either get a taxi, you can get a bus, or you can get the glider. Now, I'll just flip it around here. The glider stops just across the road over there, so you'll be able to get off the glider directly at this. And the main site to look for is the library, which is just directly behind me here, and it's just on the junction of the Hollywood Arches Medical Centre. And there's a big junction here behind me, so it's easy enough to find. So let's have a wee quick walk around and see what's going on. So the first thing you can see here, there's a wee statue on a wardrobe, so that's C.S. Lewis opening the wardrobe and the chair there, and there's a wee dedication around it, just says C.S. Jack Lewis, Ulsterman. Writer, scholar, teacher and a Christian. Born 1898, reborn 1931. And this is called the Searcher Centenary Sculpture. There's a few wee plaques and things on the back of it here, and there you've got the lion as well. So that's the Searcher, about the wardrobes. I'll let you read this when you're here yourself and not spoil it all. And there's a library dedicated over there as well, so you'll be able to look up some of the literature if you want it. It gives some local news and what's happening and what's going on as well. So the main entrance to the park, you can go directly from here, directly in down the bottom there. But there's another entrance here at the side, so I'm just going to show you that first. And just outside the library here, there's a little map. So there's actually a bit of a walk down the Connswater River, or well, it's called the Knock River. It's the Connswater Centre, and it'll take you right down to Victoria Park, closer to the centre of town. So you can do that walk as well. So you can actually start at Victoria Park and work your way out here, depending on how much time you have and how fit you're feeling. So if you just turn right onto the main Newtownards Road and then just continue on down, it's not actually too far. You'll see the Bullhouse Cafe here. You just continue on past that. So this is the main entrance here. And you'll find a Cafe Nero. You can stop and have a little coffee. And actually these side visitor centres, so there's a visitor centre here, you can call in, find all out about the park, the local area and C.S. Lewis. There's also the rental bikes here, and it's the Belfast bikes, it's called Burrell, so you could even get a bike from the centre town right out. They have a little app, you just download the app and you can book the bike and take it. So there's a bit of an open park there where the kids and stuff can play. You can sit out, there's a lot of summer seats and flowers.
I don't know what to expect me to do.
So you can see there's quite a large sculpture there. It's Mr. and Mrs. Beaver from the story. That one there's the White Witch. There's a little plaque here at all the sculptures, explains who and what they are. That's Mr. Tumnus. He's a fawn, half human, half goat. And you're sort of directly under flight path here. You can hear the planes heading over. And that takes shape back out to where it started at the Hollywood Arches. Now you just walk around the footpaths and all the different sculptures are just set in the trees at the sides. So that one's Mogram the wolf.